Hey guys, I just want to take a moment to say hi and remind you about a few things in this chapter and a few maybe new things that I wanted to tell you about. You should be in chapter 12. This week you should be working on the last two sections, 12.4 and 12.5. You might notice that there are lots of different derivative rules throughout this chapter. This is probably the most important chapter we're going to do all semester. So it's really important that you not only know the rules, but you know how to apply all the different derivative rules, because we're going to be using derivatives for the rest of the semester. And not only are we going to be using derivatives for the whole time, at the end, our last chapter, we're going to be doing antiderivatives. So we're going to be doing derivatives backwards. So it's really important that you know them forward so that we can also do them backward. So please make sure that you're practicing your homework, that you're practicing those rules, that you're applying those rules. Remember in the introduction video to chapter 12, I posted here a derivatives rules practice worksheet. I highly suggest you print that out as many times as you need to and practice all the derivative rules. The first thing you need to do is make sure that you know the rules so that you can then apply them, okay? Make sure that you've signed up for your Chapter 12 test for ProctorU. Our Chapter 12 test is due by next week, so please make sure that you sign up ahead of time so you can get the spot and the time that you would like, and that you're not charged any fee for signing up late. So make sure that you get into ProctorU and sign up for your Chapter 12 test if you have not yet. Okay. As you are taking your Chapter 12 test, please make sure that you are showing me all of your work for every single question. A lot of these questions have a lot of work that's required in order to get the correct answer. Some of your calculators can give you the right answer without showing any work. That's not what I'm looking for. You do not just get points for a correct answer. You get points for all of your work along with the correct answer. So it's really important that you're showing me your work for every single question, or I cannot give you credit for that question. Whether you get it right or wrong, I need you to make sure that you're showing me all of your work. So please make sure that you're clearly labeling every single question, that you're writing out clearly all of your steps, so I can give you full credit for the ones that you get right and partial credit for the ones that you get wrong. I'm going to really try my best to go back through your work and try to find you extra points for doing certain steps correctly, but it's really hard if you don't have the work, or if I can't read your work. So please make sure that you're showing me all of your work for Chapter 12 test and that you scan that and submit that within 5 minutes of finishing your test, okay? All right, let me know if you have any questions as you're working through the last few sections of Chapter 12.